This is Pranav Guha Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Dr. Sharma, Dr. Deepika Sharma, who is a principal of Grand Columbus School, Faridabad. She had been heading many Delhi public schools and other schools. She has got a lot of experience from early child training to class 12. Ma'am, welcome. Ma'am, the new policy has come, the new education policy has come after roughly 3 decades. What kind of impact it will be leaving or it will be having in coming 10 years?
Hi, Pranav. Thank you for having me. It's always a pleasure. So, very excited with the new education policy. It's fantastic. I think it is the much awaited and much needed. It should have happened many decades ago. But anyway, I'm happy that it's there. So, in the coming 10 years, we see children actually learning. We see more flexibility. Good education system should be a combination of knowledge and skills. So we see focus on skilling and skilling subjects. But again, the most exciting part being ninth standard onwards, where you have apprenticeship, where you have, any combination under the earth. So the schools have to look forward to offering students the subjects of their choice instead of being rigid about a science stream, a commerce stream, and a humanities stream. So this was really needed because I don't see many children, like there would be a lot of children who do not want to do maths. A lot of children would not want to do, say, geography. So there are a huge lot of subjects and beautiful combination of subjects. So the impact would be that the students would be actually learning, would be moving towards a level where they take the learning into their profession. There is also there is a push towards IT, which actually has happened during the pandemic times.
Right.
Yeah, most of us have rebooted into this, but then yeah, now that is going to get a bigger push. And the quality of education, learning, teaching is going to improve tremendously. We will not be just running after scores. We will be having students who will be running after what they like and what would they would want to do in future. So when you're open, like I always feel, why can't a student of fine arts take geometry and maths? In fact, they should.
Yeah, right.
Designers should have knowledge of that. So if they want to do it, it should be open to them. And then I know some children who really do not want to do basic maths or standard maths. So it would be great when they do, for example, computer sciences, they do a geography, they do an English and French. I mean, the combinations need to be according to the choice. So I'm happy that the learners are going to have the option of really picking up subjects they love to do instead of what was forced onto them or what was a mandation. The impact in 10 years would be, like I said, happier youth connecting to their careers, knowing more about the careers, being more skilled. And then this apprenticeship, which, we were talking earlier, I think this is very important because it's very important for our children to be hands-on. At the moment, the education is all about theory. So once the apprenticeship comes in, the children would know what to do, where to go. Now, what happens? A child when he's out of the school stands at the crossroads. Even if he's a graduate and postgraduate, stands at the crossroads because what he's learned and what has to be implemented are two different things. So I love that it's become all inclusive. The quality would be improving, and the children would be hands-on what they want to do.
Great.
Exciting times.
I think you summed up. I don't have to ask you any more questions. You summed up very nicely. I'm sure this new education policy will help our nation to grow pretty fast. And I think everything depends on the principals, teachers, how we can take this further. I'm sure.
So, Pranav, we are a very young nation with 65%
Right.
of our population below 30 or around 30. And it's very important that they are with the choice of their subjects relating to their careers, knowing where to go, finding a direction is something which is going to happen now. Okay.
Correct.
So it is going to be more satisfying. And as far as teachers and educators are concerned, well, now you have a 4 years program, which I was reading in that, and they would be again learning more about their own subjects and pedagogy more than what it was. Earlier, I think it was more of a formality. Now I
Right.
am looking towards educators who would be actually learning new pedagogies and who would be having new systems and new things to do. You know, there's been a lot of creativity which has come into the system. Hopefully, the implementation is going to be as good as its lofty goal.